Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to the today's class. We are the class leader of class 3 and our subject is science. Up to yesterday we have discussed about something about the food items, right? Means how we should cook the food and what type of food we need to eat and all these measures we have discussed. That is the block 13. Now today we are going to discuss about the block 14, which is related to the how the food is different from different countries and what type of food is going to be grown. Means in our India we are going to get only the wheat and rye. The same manner in different countries, different types of food we can see. So today we are going to know about different types of foods in different types of countries. Food around our countries. We are going to know about yes. Food will be eaten in different countries in different way. The same manner in different states we are having different types of food. Food across India. We are going to know about food across India. Yes. Daily we can see different types of food. First in the breakfast we will eat one type of food, in the lunch we will eat different type. In the same manner in the dinner we will eat different. For snacks we will eat different. So the same manner how the food is different in different types of places in our country. India is having many states and as well as many cities. So each and every state is having one particular special item. We will going to discuss it in the form of the lesson. So if we take the north, if you take the north people, north side, North India, you can write here North India. They eat mostly rotis, chapati, chapatis, right. But what about us in the Telangana state, we eat rice. Fine, we eat rice. The same manner in the Andhra Pradesh, I am writing here. Andhra Pradesh. In the most of the Andhra Pradesh also people will eat rice. What about the Tamil Nadu? Yes. Tamil Nadu also will eat different types of food. Mostly they will eat dosha, idli, which are prepared with rice, and as well as they will eat sambar. So each and every state is having some particular food item which is related to their growth as well as they need different types of foods. Now we are going to look after in our textbook whether what type of food is eaten by different types of states. I am going to screen share you. Look after it. Yes, children? Yeah. Yes, now you can see diversity in food we eat. That is our blog name. That is diversity. Diversity and different. Different ga ela ఉంటారు different. How we can eat different types of food in different types of places in our country. Yes. Food eaten in different parts of India. What we are going to learn? Food eaten in different parts of India. What we are going to learn? Food eaten in different parts of India. Okay, మన ఇండియాలో different types of foods ఉంటాయి. I don't know only. Mostly Tamil Nadu will eat idli, dosa, vada like that. The same manner in India, in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana will eat different types of food items which are related to the rice. Yes, so that everything is different if you observe it. The first point, people in different parts of India eat different kinds of food in the north. Yes, different people in different parts of India. India are different parts like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, or you can say not Bihar, Orissa, Bhubaneswar. You can say different types of states. So they eat different kinds of food. So in the north, what they are going to eat? Chapatis, pulses, vegetables, curd, raita, meat, curry, and paneer dishes. What they are going to eat? Chapatis. Mostly they eat chapatis. They will eat chapatis, pulses, vegetables, curd, raita, paneer. Paneer they will be prepared with the milk. Paneer is prepared with milk. So paneer is prepared with the milk. And some of the cereals, they are going to eat the vegetables, pulses, curd. Curd is the milk product. It is eaten by them. Raita. Raita is prepared by using the different types of milk and as well as some of the vegetables also. Next, popular foods. These are the popular foods in North India. North India popular foods enti? North India popular foods enti? Chapatis, pulses, vegetables, raita, meat, curry, and paneer dishes or popular foods. Popular foods in North India. So in the south, when come back to the south also they will eat curd, rice, sambar, vegetables, and dosha or popular. South India lo South India lo curd, rice. Manaki rice ekkuva padutundi South India lo. So we will eat more amount of rice. North lo wheat ekkuva padutundi kabatti ante మన ఫుడ్ గ్రెయిన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఏది ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ఆ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ పీపుల్ తింటూ ఉంటారు. సో నార్త్ లో వాళ్ళకి వీట్ ఎక్కువ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి దే విల్ ఈట్ చపాతీస్, రోటీస్, pulkas, all these things. In the South India, we get more amount of rice production. So we will eat rice, curd, sambar, vegetables, and doshas, idlis are most popular. Most popular ga manaki ee food items kanipistayi. Next, in the east side or north, now we have completed north and south. In the East India, rice, in east rice, fish curry, rasals, and mongos are commonly eaten. In the east, what they are going to eat? Yes, rice, fish curry, rasals, monos are the most common eaten in the east. East India lo are common ga tintu untaru. Next, in the west. Next one, in the west. In the west, people eat pav bhaji, chapatis, telpla, seafood in bel puri. Bel puri they will eat mostly. Okay. Now, if you observe it clearly, each and every type of food is related to according to their availability. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నార్త్ లో మనకి ఎక్కువ వీట్ పండుతుంది కాబట్టి వీట్ తో ప్రిపేర్ చేసిన ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. ప్రొడక్షన్ వీట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో వీట్ తో ప్రిపేర్ చేసే ఏమంటాం చపాతీస్, రోటీస్, పుల్కాస్ తింటాం. సౌత్ కి వచ్చేసరికి రైస్ ఎక్కువ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి we will eat rice. Next, what we call doshas, idlis, vadas, we will eat all these things. And when come back to the east, they will eat fishes because the coastal line, east side coastal line in India, సో కోస్టల్ లైన్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ ఏం కర్రీ తింటున్నారు, ఫిష్ కర్రీ. బికాస్ సీ పక్కనే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ ఫిష్ కర్రీస్ ఎక్కువ తింటారు. రసల్స్, మామ్స్, ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ సీ ఫుడ్స్. అండ్ ఇన్ ద వెస్ట్ they will eat pav bhaji, chapatis, telpa, seafood and velpuri. Okay, west side కూడా maximum కొన్ని sides సీ ఫుడ్ అవైలబుల్ గా ఉంటుంది కోస్టల్ ఏరియాస్. అప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, కొంచెం అంతా సీ ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటారు as well as pav bhaji. Pav bhaji will be prepared with using the wheat and some other different types of things. So it is also one type of food which is mostly eaten in the west part of India. Right. Now, some types of foods are eaten in many regions. It was particular special dishes. Now we are going to look common eating food items. Some types of foods are eaten in many regions. So some of the food items can be eaten in many regions, like idli, dosa, vada are South Indian foods, but also eaten in other regions. Idli, dosa, vada are the South Indian food, but it can be eaten by all over the country. అసలు సౌత్ ఇండియాలో ప్రిపేర్ చేసే ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ కానీ మిగతా వాళ్ళలో చాలా మంది డిఫరెంట్ కంట్రీస్, డిఫరెంట్ స్టేట్స్ లో అనేది చూస్తూనే ఉంటారు. Yes. If you observe here, some types of foods that are eaten in many regions. All over India, you can see if you go for the Jammu Kashmir, or if you go for Odisha or Tamil Nadu or West Bengal, anywhere if you go all over the India, most common food you can see are idli, dosa and vada are the South Indian, but we can get all over India. Similarly, pav bhaji is a West Indian food that is popular in all other regions. West Bengal popular aina a food adi pav bhaji. Now also when we go for the snack items for the restaurants, we will order pav bhaji, pizzas, burgers, all these things. So మనకి ఏంటి డిఫరెంట్ గా అనిపించే ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఎక్కువ తింటూ ఉంటాం. ఇడ్లీ, దోశ, వడ కూడా ఆల్ ఓవర్ కంట్రీ తింటారు. ద సేమ్ మ్యాటర్ హియర్, pav bhaji also will be eaten all over India. Yes, I hope it is clear, children. Now North Indian meal, what you can see here, North Indian meal. Here you can see the chapati. What you can see here, chapati, or simply I am writing here roti. Yes, roti you can see, as well as here you can see rice also. Little bit of two chapati, two rotis and one part of rice. And next, different types of curries. You can see one leafy curry and one sweet also. What you can see, sweet. These are the food items which we eaten in the north as a meal. Next, if you go for the South India, you can see different types of food items like, first of all, most important thing is the rice here. Rice. And next you can see the small thing that is chips. Most common food items you can see in this. And here you can see curd rice. What you can see? Curd rice. Right? Yes. And next you can see different, almost 2 to 3 kinds of food items you can see which are related to our north as well as south. So as well as both the north and south, we can see different types of food items are mixed. So now you can get clarity about food items. I hope so. Right, children? Okay, fine. Now we are going to discuss about our worksheet. Look after it, children. Get ready for the worksheet. Yeah. Now, if we are going to observe it, different types of food and what type of food we can eat here, we can see. Now, given below are the food items from the different parts of India. If you observe here, different types of pictures are there. In that, the food items we can get from all over India. Next, right, North India, South India, East India or West India, below the picture. Whatever the image they have given, we should write the name of the country. Okay, name of our state. Right. Yes, first one, rice. Where we can see rice? South India. Where we can see South. We can see in South India. Yes, in the South India you can see rice. Next one, fish curry. What is the next one? Fish curry you can see in East India. Where you can see in the East India you can see mostly fish curry. So that is the second one. Third one you can see Rasagulla. Yes, Rasagulla food item. It is also the East India special. East India special Rasagulla. And fourth one you can see meat curry. Where we can see meat mostly in the North India. Where we can see in North India. Next, if you go for the next one, pulses. We can prepare dal, we can prepare something. So it is also mostly in North India. What we can write? North India. Yes. Next, you can see the fifth one, sixth one, sambar. Sambar will be in South India. Where we can see sambar? South India. South India. Now seventh one, pav bhaji. Pav bhaji most especially, yes, West Bengal. Where is it special? West Bengal or West region. West India. Where it is special? In West India. Next one, bel puri. Bel puri also mostly in West India only. West India special. Bel puri also West India special. Next one, you can see momos. Momos also it is in East India special. Momos are special in East India. Now next one you can see curd rice. What is that one? Curd rice. Curd rice is special in South India. South India. Curd rice is special in South India. Next, paneer curry or paneer dish. It is mostly seen in North India. Where you can see North India. Right. Next one you can see idlis. Idli is mostly famous in Tamil Nadu, but it you can all over India. It is a South India dish. It is a idli or the South India dish. Next one you can see chapati. What is that one? Chapati. Where we can see chapati is mostly North India. Yes, North India. Fish curry. Yes, fish curry has came for 2 times. Yes, as well as East India. Again, we should write East India. Yes, East India. Fish curry we can see in East India. And next one, last one, it is dokla. Dokla. Dokla is mostly seen in West India, where we can see West India. This is the West Indian food. Now, second question, why fish curry is not popular dish in North India? ఫిష్ కర్రీ అనేది నార్త్ ఇండియాలో ఎందుకు ఫేమస్ కాదు అని అడుగుతున్నారు. Now we are going to answer for the second one. Yes, fish is not easily easily available in North India. Fish అనేది నార్త్ ఇండియాలో అవైలబుల్ ఉండదు. సో fish curry is not famous, is not as popular in North India. ఫిష్ అనేది ఎక్కువ అవైలబుల్ గా ఉండదు కాబట్టి నార్త్ ఇండియాలో అది ఫేమస్ కాదు. ఇండియా హ్యాస్ ఇట్స్ సౌత్ why is fish curry is not popular in the dish of North India? That is the reason. So in East India you can get more amount of the fishes. So fish curry is most famous in East India. This is about the answer. I hope it is clear, children. Yes. If you observe these types of food items like South India dish or North India dish, East India, West India, you can see different types of food in different manner. Right. I hope everyone has got the answers. Fine. Little bit late you have joined, children. Okay, I was happy. No problem, you have joined. That's it. Kiriti want to read something, I think. Okay, Kiriti, unmute now. Yes.
People different parts of India eating different kinds of foods in the India
In the north, not India. In the north. Chapatis.
Chapatis, pulses, vegetables, curries.
Curd, that is not curry. Curd. Curd. Raita.
Rice.
Raita, not rice. Raita.
Rice.
It is not rice, Nana. Raita. It is a different food item. Raita అనేది మన ఫుడ్ కాదు, నార్త్ ఇండియన్ ఫుడ్ అది. ఒక కర్రీ లాగా ఉంటుంది కానీ మనం ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటాం. నార్త్ ఇండియన్స్ కర్డ్.
SAMBHAR. Sambar, vegetables.
And doshas. Are
popular in East. Rice. Fish curries. Rasgullas. Moms are commonly eaten in East. People
in the West.
West people eat
pav bhaji,
chapatis, THEPLE, telpa, and seafood.
Seafood and bel puri. Okay, now one more paragraph.
Sometimes of food are eaten in many idli, dosa and vada are
or South Indian
South Indian
foods.
food, but are also eaten in other
Regions.
regions.
Similarly,
Similarly, pav bhaji
is
a
a
it is a
West Indian dish.
West Indian dish that is popular in the
Other regions too.
Aryan regions too.
Other region.
Other regions.
Region 2. Okay. Good. Good, Kiriti. Okay. Now, idli is a South Indian food or North Indian food?
South Indian.
South Indian food. Chapati is a North Indian food or South Indian food?
East Indian.
Chapati.
North Indian.
North Indian food. Pav bhaji.
North Indian.
North Indian, north lo east side మనకు ఎక్కువ కనిపిస్తుంది. East Indian food. Good. Very good, Kiriti. Swapna Makam, who is Swapna Makam? Unmute once. Gagan, are you there? Unmute ana Gagan. Unmute Gagan. Gagan. Yes. Are you interested to read or not, Gagandeep? Krishna? Okay, fine.
Madam.
Unmute your video once.
Yes, teacher.
Do you have the textbooks?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, then take out the page number 88. Otherwise, read from here only for today. Can you see the screen? Unmute. Yeah, read from here. What is your name?
Komal Krishna teacher.
Komal Krishna. Okay. Then start reading here the first point.
మాట్లాడు.
Read the first point.
ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ చెప్పు.
First point చదువు. అసలు ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఏంటో చదువు. అక్కడ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ లో ఉంది. Komal Krishna, I am talking to you only, Nana. Please start reading. Just letter, not the word. I am asking you to read the first letter. First letter చదువు.
ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ అంటే బుక్స్ లేవు చెప్పు మేడంకి. టీచర్ నో బుక్స్ టీచర్.
Okay, no problem. I am showing you on the screen. Next screen మీద కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. Diversity in food to eat అని ఆల్రెడీ షేర్ చేశాను ఇది. కనిపిస్తుందా?
ఎస్ టీచర్.
Then start reading the first one ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలి. ఏంటో చదువు. Okay, then try to buy the books and read it. Okay. Gagan, what you are doing now? Yes. Okay. Okay, children, we will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. Fine. I hope everyone has understood the today's topic that is recording. In food across India means different types of food we can eat in the North India, some type of food we can eat in the South India, as well as East, West. We can see different types of food like idli, dosa, vada. It is mostly famous in the South. North India, chapati, paneer, rotis, all these things we can see. And in the East India, you can see like fish curries and next what rasagullas. These are the famous. In the West, we can see Pav Bhaji is the most famous in West India. Like that, we have seen different types of food items which is eaten in different types of states in our country, that is India. Right. That is our topic, food across India. Try to read the textbook, children, and complete your worksheet which I am going to send you regarding this topic and send it back by the WhatsApp. Okay, children, bye. We will meet in the next class. Bye. See you.